how to play Repo with more players. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Repo, the horror co-op game, with more players than the default limit. Repo is usually capped at 6 players, but there's a simple way to increase that number using a lightweight mode. Let's get started. Section 1. Default player limit. By default, Repo only allows up to 6 players in one game. If you try to invite more, they will be blocked from joining. So to go beyond that limit, say 8, 10 or more players, you will need a small mod. Section 2. What do you need? Don't worry, you don't have to code anything or modify files manually. There's a mod called More Players that lets you easily expand the player count. To get started, just download the Thunderstorm Mod Manager. It's safe and free. Search for Repo inside the manager and install the More Players mode. That's it. Section 3. Setting up. After installing the mode, launch Repo directly from the Thunderstorm Mod Manager. That ensures the mode is active when you host your game. Now, when you start a lobby, you'll be able to invite more people, up to 10 by default. You don't even need to tweak anything else unless you want a specific limit. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to play Repo with more players. Now, you can survive the horror game with your role group. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and good luck in the next hunt.